Hello people, it's Jony and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have something special. No, it's not special. I say that every time. Every video is special because it's me. Anyway, today, oh, that was pet. I'm sorry guys. We are doing the FACEAPP challenge. Yes, I know it's an app and you click on it and then bam, you're old. I know, I've done it. But I'm gonna try to recreate what you saw. Bam, this is, oh, sorry. This is what you saw. I know that's my profile pic, but if you look closely, I look 25, 50, 30, 40, maybe 55 years older than that. So as you can tell, I'll be looking like Buddy Winkle. I love her so much. I want to be like her when I grow up. But yes, today, I'm going to try to recreate this. I'm not going to do the exact same thing because rainbow brows, honey, that's been and gone. People are telling me that I look like David Bowie for some reason. I look like people from Whoville. Sorry. People are telling me that I need to do the Grinch. I'm like, girl, I've done the Grinch multiple times. Well, once, but it's the same. By the way, guys, if you haven't seen my Stranger Things video, you need to see it. You need to see it. So anyway, today, that's what we're doing. I'm just gonna make myself look old, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Kind of. If you want to do the same thing on your face and catfish people into thinking that you're a daddy, a sugar daddy, follow the tutorial. I don't know how much you're gonna learn from me today, but at least you're gonna see something. So, let's just start. We're just gonna live our lives together on the screen at the same time. Grab a snack, tell me what you're eating. I'm not gonna drink or eat anything. I'm gonna diet because, oh wait. I am going to LA in August. I'm gonna go to BeautyCon, so if you are at BeautyCon, I would love to meet you. I'll be walking around and I want to meet every single one of you. So, it's the next day. There was a little quirk going on. My microphone decided that I was too annoying and that he was not gonna listen to me no more. My microphone was off for the whole entire tutorial. The tutorial turned out great. The look was amazing. Everything was on point, apart from this freaking microphone. So basically, I'm gonna redo the whole entire thing. So yeah, let's just jump into it and just get old. So basically yesterday I started with a milk foundation. It's like a skin tint kind of thing. The color sand, because we don't want a flawless thingy, because there's no point making it flawless and then adding so-called imperfections that are not imperfect. The perfect, thank you very much. Who invented language? I don't know, but he don't. So yeah, this on my face, great. Next. Not full coverage whatsoever, but this is my favorite thing. Like, my skin is so gorgeous after. It soaks the powder like nobody's business. You bake with it, it's not so cute in real life, so make sure you don't over powder it. Oh, you know what? Have you actually seen the picture, or am I just creating something you've not seen yet? Oh, yes, I am. See, this is why I said it was gonna be hard, because I know things that you don't know, and I feel like I've already talked about it, but I haven't. This trend has been going on for a few weeks now, kind of. I don't know. Maybe. And I've seen a lot of pictures. People are looking great. They're looking sassy. They're looking like gorgeous old people. And me, do you want to see the first attempt I had? You're gonna poop your pants. It's some scary shit. If there's children around you, hide their eyes. Look. How? What do I look like? I don't even look like myself anymore. I had lots of attempts. I had this one, and all of these. They're all scary, apart from this. Well, this one is still scary, but if my body was looking like that, banging! Well, next is contouring, highlighting, and all that kind of thing. I'm gonna take my Jouer concealers. They are somewhere. This is creme, but it's not this one. Name, you belong to me, and you to me. Guys, where is it? Okay, I found it. It's Snow, very light shade. And I'm gonna show you something. Abby Robert Artistry did this challenge. Have I actually told you that? I said it like yesterday, but apparently maybe I didn't, so maybe I should say it again. So I saw Abby Robert Artistry doing like this challenge, but actually with makeup. And it reminded me how I used to love making myself look old. And I was like, you know what? That is a great idea. So I decided to do it. But yeah, this is Abby. If you don't know Abby, she's great. She's amazing. Check her out. So I'm gonna take snow because when you're old you have some discoloration under your eyes usually. Sometimes you don't, sometimes you're lucky. So I'm not gonna cover my under eyes. I'm just gonna go under and make like a triangular shape. And because you droop, I'm gonna elongate my cheek and not making it too, you know, cheekbony, but more like bony. There we go, like this. Oh wait, I need a mirror here, under here. I think she does that as well. I thought I was gonna look, but I'm not here. And then there we go. Okay, you guys, that's done with the concealer. So next to contour, I'm gonna use my Milk Baked thingy. And this is a Cover FX brush. I don't know where I got it, but I know it was in a box somewhere. So I'm gonna use it to create wrinkles, not just here. I go up my nose a lot here. Now for the nose, guys, I need a picture of myself. Okay, so as you can tell, my nose is not that snatched. When you grow older, your nose grow as well. And your nose and your ears are the only thing I think that grows. So it's gonna get bigger. So I don't want to make it too, like I said, skinny. But I want to make it not bigger. I just wanna embrace my shape. And make sure you go up here because you usually start to get deep creases or like hooded eyes. I think I'll have hooded eyes, although I might cut the excess skin I've got. Guys, look at my excess skin. This is gonna droop. I need to get that removed. Okay, wrinkle wise, apart from this here, I'm not gonna follow my wrinkles too much. Well, actually I am. One in the middle. Now for my cheek, I am gonna go quite dramatic with that. Not too dramatic because I don't want to look theatrical. I want to look realistic, okay? Because my jawline and my cheekbones are still gonna be popping. I basically look like when I contour usually. Okay, now under the eyes, very important. Go down here and under the eyes, right under. Oh, that was my eye. Contour it on the lens. So now that I've got like all the wrinkles, all this, I'm gonna add a bit of darker color, not like crazy dark, but darker. Okay, so I'm gonna take some Huda Beauty color, contour in the shade medium. So it's quite dark actually. And I'm gonna go in the deepest creases I've got. Whoa, that was a lot. You need to accentuate this smile lines. This is what's gonna make you look the oldest. So guys, tell me what's been going on with your life. Oh, God. I was in Paris last week. It was amazing. It was like a holiday kind of thing. Your girl needs a holiday all the time. I don't know why. I'm tired. I need a holiday. Oh, I look like a cat. Oh, talking about cats. Let's talk about cats after. Wow. That's crazier than yesterday. What the f? Okay, I think we need to blend this all. And hopefully we're not gonna look too crazy. And, ooh, that's dry. I mean, that's the boring part. I'm gonna blend it all and come back, okay, guys? Whoa. Holy sh**. Okay, guys, I applied way more than yesterday and now it's looking a little crazy. I don't look old, I just look dirty. Okay, guys, I spent the last 20 minutes trying to make it look, alright. So I'm gonna just put some powder on the highlight points of my face and then move on to the eye. I'm gonna use Huda Beauty again. Powder. Ooh, sorry about that. And just apply it. Oh my God, you guys, I forgot to tell you. Guess who is going to BeautyCon? Oh, have I told you already? I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just putting on some powder. Hopefully it's great. So yeah, if you're from LA, please come see me. If I'm in the street, please say hi. That makes me happy. That makes me want to do my job even more. Because sometimes I'm gonna be completely transparent. Sometimes it's hard. Okay, you guys, now it's on to the eyes. So, oh, actually, no, not the eyes yet. I'm gonna do the eyebrows. So, because I'm old, I'm gonna have great eyebrows like a silver fox, like a motherfucking daddy. I'm taking a Supra color from Crayolan in the shade white. So, you guys, I'm gonna do ASMR right now. Okay, let's do ASMR. Because you grow older, you start balding. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm not gonna overpluck my eyebrows. No, I'm not crazy. But I'm just gonna make them, and anyway, first of all, my eyebrows are gonna be thick when I'm 95, okay? So I'm just going over. I don't want the whole like white look or like all silver. I want like some like salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna go over with a spoolie. Okay. Are you enjoying this ASMR? I am. It's just gonna last the eyebrows, guys. I'm just resting my voice for the rest of the tutorial. So yeah, I'm doing this. Oh shit, sorry. I'm doing this. I think we're done. So, finished with the ASMR bullshit. Oh. So now, I want to have a bit of makeup and my inspiration, not my inspiration, well, kind of my You guys, I'm just gonna apply one color, and this is in Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's got no name. It was from a collection they had a few months ago. And this color is so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. And I'm just gonna apply this with my finger. Just a little bit, like so. See how gorgeous it is. Just wash a color on my eyelid and then it's pretty. See, you don't need much. Okay, that's enough. Oh, actually, I might do a little bit of this color here to make my eyelids look droopy. And under here. Guys, I'm literally doing the no mirror makeup challenge because I'm looking in the viewfinder. Here a bit as well. Okay, you guys, I'm happy with the makeup. I'm just gonna put some mascara. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Look at this. It's my new lash curler. It's mermaids. I love mermaids so much. I'm not used to it being big like that. Ouch. Whoa. I'm gonna take my Milk Kush mascara and I'm gonna go over my lashes. And we wanna look glamorous. We wanna look fabulous, okay? I'm a fabulous grandfather. My grandkids are gonna be so excited to see me. We're going to the park today. Then we're going shopping a little bit in their favorite toy store.
I've got money now, you know. I'm a sugar daddy.
I'm a sugar grandfather and I give them the sugar. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. I love toy stores. I've always loved toy stores so much, and every time I see one, I want to go in. Yo, I look crazy on that freaking viewfinder.
You belong to somebody.
Wait. I know you belong. Okay. I know you belong to somebody new. But tonight you belong to me. Thanks a lot. Next! Okay, you guys, I'm done with the eyes, but I forgot the wrinkles here. Duck legs, duck, cross feet. I'm gonna make crow's feet on my eyes. But unfortunately, you guys, I've got a pattern already because I smile too fucking damn much. Follow the shape. And now I'm gonna take this little Colourpop creme gel liner in the shade Honey Dude. And I am gonna go in between those lines to make them pop because you want your wrinkles to pop. Okay, you guys, I think we're done with that. Okay, now we're doing the wrinkles. We're gonna go over it and make some stains and textures. You can't see shit. I look a little bit old. I'm gonna take this contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, light to medium, because it's got 3 colors. So just gonna do a bit of that. Actually, let me get a smaller brush. And I'm gonna take those 2 colors and basically I'm just gonna go over everything I did. All the ring here in the corner. I'm getting old, guys. I'm also just bringing some warmth to this under eye. I forgot something. Something I'm not looking forward to, but we'll have to do that. I look like a cat. Oh! I forgot to talk about Cats. Have you guys seen the new Cats, the movie? I am so excited. You have no idea. I've seen a lot of people saying like, oh my god, they should not have done CGI because it looks scary, blah blah. I'm like, good! They already have a version with like the Broadway costumes. And there's like everyone in it. The guy from Lord of the Ring, Gandalf. Ian McKinney. What's his name? The wall's not responding today.
Talking to me.
Yes.
Ian McKellen.
Ian McKellen. Him.
Hello, my children. How was school today?
Great, Dad! Oh, it's making my lips look so dry. Gross. Okay, you guys, now I'm just gonna need to do the stains and the blush, the highlight and all that. So I'm gonna use this Ben Nye. You know, when I used to be a performer, I told you already, this was my brow pencil. It's a little bit orange. You guys, I need a nap. Guys, I really want to meet you all. So yeah, I'm gonna do stains. It's basically like freckles, but bigger. And they're different sizes and all that, okay? So we're gonna do that. Okay, so I'm doing like a big block, a big stain here and here. Under my mouth here. You really want this part to be quite creased. Okay, you guys, I think the stains are done. I'm gonna show you the result of the other time I did it as well, and we'll decide which one is the best. But I think maybe yesterday was better, or today. I'm not sure. I feel like I look older today. Okay, you guys, I need some color on my face, even if I'm old. So I'm taking this Colourpop blush, Cruel Intention. Okay, so I'm applying on my forehead like that. On the nose, way more here. On the eyes as well. Under here, I'm making myself a bit red. Next, I'm actually gonna use a highlighter. So my Anastasia Beverly Hills Resi highlighter. Favorite. I'm actually gonna have to order a new one. So I'm applying it here on the apple of the cheek, not here. Yes, like that. Oh, so good. It's almost finished. I need to do my hair because I'm not old if I don't have white or silver hair, okay? So I'm gonna use the same cream color and I might do a little something else. We'll see. So I'm taking a little bit and then just adding little strokes like that. Okay, this is not working. And from experience, I'm gonna add a lot here. The hell is that? Girl. Oh, there we go. Now we're talking. Oh, maybe it's better like that. Ooh. Oh!
Never mind, what the fuck is that?
Guys, actually I like it like that. I look 45, I don't look 95. Okay, so... Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna use some translucent powder. This is from LCMA. And I'm gonna powder my hair. Just like Marie Antoinette. Marie Antoinette. Woo, that's too much. Whoa. Bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I be in the next It? Yo, look at that. I'm so powdery, I feel gross. Fuck, water. Gross! It tastes like powder. What? Okay, I kind of look like I'm a priest.
Alright, you guys, the look is complete.
I printed them in 2016 thinking I was gonna do a tutorial with it, and today's the day, I guess. So this picture is a bit outdated. It's 2016 me right here. Remember her? Feel old yet? I look fucking great. If I'm old like that, girl. Do I look anything like this? No, I don't. Thank God.
Okay, that's it for you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you did not, it's alright, I don't care. I'm wise now. I'm full of wisdom. Wisdom. Have a fun day today. Enjoy your life. Spider. And I hope I see you in Los Angeles. See you soon. I don't know how to finish a video anymore.
I need some more blush.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much.
And I'll see you later, bye!
Hello, you. You guys. I am now 95. I have done a lot in life. And I am now retiring. This is my retirement video after 90 years of service. I hope you enjoyed all those videos. I hope you enjoyed me and my face and other people's faces, alright? Alright, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye now.